You don't need Google Flow, you don't need Grok AI. The free AI video tool you have been looking for is already on TikTok. TikTok free AI video tool is ready right now, and I am showing how to use it, and it's honestly better than people are using for Google Flow or Grok AI. This video explains how to create AI videos for free using the TikTok AI tool without Google Flow or Grok subscription. Learn how to make engaging shorts video easily. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see, first go to Google and search this Symphony Creative Studio or I will give this link in this video description and in a first comment box also. So in a first click on this get started, then log in your account, or you can simply click on this sign up now. Use your Gmail, Hotmail, or Outlook, any email address, or you can also use temp mail. Then click on sign up. Now we need to verify our email address. Simply copy the OTP, then paste here. Now click on this next button, business name, fill this detail, first name, last name, business name, and industry, country, then currency and time zone, and click on the submit button. Then again click on this confirm. Now we need to agree the TNC, accept, and here you can see a video generation, image generation, avatar videos, voiceover avatar, and variation. So in this video we will walk through video generation. Here you can see reference video, image to video, text to video, and image generation. So let's try text to video. Here you can see this is the my video generation prompt, which is generated by ChatGPT, and you can also enhance from here also. Here you can see enhance option. Now you can also select the duration for video, 5 second, 10 second, or 12 second. And for premium private content that is not available on YouTube, few things I can't discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. I had already created a video about how to get Leonardo.ai free for 1 month. Here you can see. So if you want to create unlimited image from Leonardo.ai, please watch that video. And almost 2-3 months ago also created 2 videos about how to get Gemini free for 1 year and free for 1 month. Here you can see these are the 2 videos. So please visit my YouTube channel homepage. Here you can see our video is generated after almost 2 minutes, and you can see the, let's play in this video full screen after the download. By this way, you can create unlimited in a completely free AI videos by TikTok Symphony Creative Studio without subscribe any premium plan. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Bihas Malik YouTube channel for more simple, honest, and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpoolstar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.